Welcome to Asian Hair Restoration Center Hair Loss Talk, where the first Filipino-American board-certified hair transplant specialist and a dermatologist, Dr. Julieta Peralta Arambolo, addresses the needs of our patients experiencing hair loss, providing the best medical, non-surgical, and surgical hair treatments for affected men and women in the Philippines. Joining her are our physician associates, both board-certified dermatologists of the Philippine Dermatological Society, Dr. Julieta Cordero and Dr. Leanne Sonko, the authority in hair loss management and diagnosis.
Because of misleading advertisements on hair loss treatment, Asian Hair Restoration Center is pleased to announce the launching of our Hair Loss Talk as we advocate patient safety and education on hair loss to avoid unnecessary or ill-advised surgery that may lead to major medical problems. So subscribe na kayo to our channel and watch out for our Hair Loss Talk episode number 1. Ang topic ay Summary of Hair Loss Causes and Treatment Options. Ano ba ang dahilan ng paglugas ng buhok mo at anong dapat gawin? Panahon na para makinig sa mga experts on hair loss. Abangan! Thank you!